Now considered a high-risk prisoner, the suspect will be locked in a secure holding cell until the sheriff's department comes to pick him up.
Chloe.
That's why he's like shackled.
Chloe, I love you.
We never assume that he's just a not so bad guy. Take your shoes off.
Oh, you give me a kiss, please.
You need medical attention for what? Suffer from depression.
Play with your bell. Oh, you like your bell.
Dylan's complaining that he's a little distraught and needs medical assistance, so. Okay, fine.
Chloe.
You know, we'll call the EMT shop and have him evaluated. If they say he's got to go to the hospital, then we'll transport him to the hospital, but he's still under. Maybe he thinks that we're going to just release him to the
Ringing your
hospital.
bell?
Well, that's not the case, but, you know, does it happen? Yeah, it does
Chloe.
happen.
Hello. What you doing, come on?
Second. Wait.